Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Samatha Learn and Grow. In this video, we are going to do addition of double digits with single digits with the help of Abacus scale. Okay, now first clear the scale. Now first sum is 10 plus 1 plus 1. As I said, we will start doing the sum calculations from this rod. This is ones rod, right? And next tens rod, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s and beyond. Yeah. First, here we have 10 plus 1 plus 1. So, this is ones rod. Next, tens rod. So, I am going to move the one bit in the tens rod. And I am touching the answer bar. Because one bit is touching the answer bar. So, the value is 10 now. Next, 1 plus 1. Now 1 plus 1, it's in single digits. We have to go to ones place rod again. 1 plus 1. So what is our value now? 10 plus 1 plus 1. Now our value is 12. 10 plus 1 plus 1. If you see clearly, you can understand. 10 plus 1 plus 1, it's 12. Okay, I'm going to write it here. Okay, clear the scale again. After each and every sum, you have to clear the scale, ma. Yeah. Next, second sum. 10 plus 2 plus 2. I'm going to move again. One bit in the tens rod, tens place value. And here in the ones place value, I'm going to move 2 bits at a time. Again plus 2. 2 bits at a time. So, 10 plus 2 plus 2, it's how much? 14. You can see this is 10, the value is 10 here and here 4. Means what? It's 14. Now clear the scale, children. Next, third one. 10 plus 2 plus 1. Same. Day by day you have to increase your speed. 10 in the tens place rod. Next, come back to the ones place rod and 2 plus 1. So, what is our value here? It's 13. Got it? Now, next, clear the scale. Fourth sum. 20 plus 6 plus 1. So, in the tens place value, I am going to move 2 bits at a time because 10 plus 10. What I said in the beginning classes, 10. Now it's 20, 30, 40. So, 20 means what? 2 bits at a time. 20 plus 6. See here properly. 6 means in the ones place rod, what you have to do? You have to move the 5 value, which is up above the bar line, and next 1 from the below the bar line. So what is our value now? It's 6. Next, 1. Move 1 bit in the ones place rod. So what is our value now? 20 plus 7. 20 plus 7. So our value is, answer is here 27. Got it? Come again. Fifth sum. 20 plus 7 plus 2. 27 means you have to move the 5 2 bits from the below and 2 at a time. So what is our value now? 20 plus 9. 29. Now, come back, clear the scale. Here we have 30 plus 2 plus 6. So, I am going to move 3 bits in the tens place value at a time. And I am coming back to the ones place rod. First, I am going to move 2 bits at a time. And next we have 6. So, see clearly, children. 5 from the top and 1 from below. So, now these both are 6. 30 plus 8. 38. So next, 7 sum. 50. In the tens place rod, you have to move 50. The value of 50 is this, above the bar line. The single bit value will be 50, I said, right? You have to move the 50 bit down. Next, 8. Come back to the ones place rod. It's 8 and plus 1. So what is our value? 59. If you practice number of times, it will be very easy, children. Now 40 plus 9 plus 0. So 40 in the tens place rod, I am moving 4 bits at a time. 9 means I am going to move in the ones place rod 9 values at a time and plus 0. So what is our value now? 49. Now here next sum, 9th sum, 20 plus 5 plus 2. So I am clearing the scale. In the tens place rod, you have to move 2 bits at a time. 10, 20. Next 5. The ones place rod, you have to move 5. Again plus 2. The ones place rod, you have to move 2 bits at a time. So what is our answer now? 27. Next, 10th sum, 40 plus 4 plus 5. In the clear the scale. Next, in the tens place rod, you have to move 4 bits at a time. Next, plus 4. In the ones place rod, you have to move 4 bits at a time. Next, 5 plus 5. In the ones place rod, you have to move the value 5. Next, what is our value here now? 49. Now next, 11th sum. Clear the scale. 50 plus 6 plus 1. In the tens place rod, you have to move 50. Next 6 in the ones place rod, 5 and 1. So it's 6. Next, plus 1. In the ones place rod, 1. Now what is our answer? 56. Sorry, 57. Next, 12th sum. Clear your scale. 30. In the tens place rod, you have to move 3 bits at a time. 30 plus 7. In the ones place rod, you have to move 5 value and 2 bits from lower bits, that is 7. Next, 1 plus 1. So what is our value now? 38. Yeah. Yes friends, if you subscribe my channel, you will get more updates so that it will be easy for you to understand the subject. You can see more videos from this channel and you can understand the abacus in a more easy way. Okay. Thank you friends. Take care.